And here for your Babuni Aquaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, and send be abato yenima me person me boss or a tremor. And that me never can say 6 unemployed nurses be police at you. Now, these unemployed nurses, no more Ministry of Health, echo demonstrate say, yeah, employ more. Answer the better answer and subscribe and click the notification bell on the so we our latest news be about on sa ebeka. We'll be our catch us a Ghana and yet then on the back or that will try and draw. In fact, in a state in Ghana today, I know of a lot of graduates, university graduates are when we are school 3-4 years are still womutifi womu nye juma bia enye. Endra will be a contacting me and the pakono what me say was sreme memboano. Na we are school watina fiache wonye juma enye. Etiefo nkofo bebre e de womo asem ebetu yenim. Na media meka embra na ye bekosu apon no. Me now for bebre every SHS womo your madwen say womo de wombeko nursing training and teacher training because that time no na adea ewo ho ne say wo nursing training and teacher training pe wo wie pe ejuma eda ho ema. Until a lot of people had this notion and it was true back then. Obi a wobeko nursing training and teacher training bia wo wie no na say aban de na him but enda me ne wo ka say nkrofo wo ho a womo akọ nursing training kra womo tifie a womo nye adwuma enye. Now things like this coming up no I tell say no, there's something going on in the country which is actually not right. Something wrong is going on in the country. Now we enama ekuo bia womo from the coalition of unemployed nurses a womo twanitia efreno kun coalition of unemployed nurses. Not just say a nurse fuo bia womo susu se e wose ye mo mu djuma a womo atene fie ache a aban emmo mu ejuma bia no e na womo atikuo. Na first Ghana you will be to say Unemployed Graduate Association. I don't know whether that association is still in existence, but Sisia, what we are seeing is coalition of unemployed nurses. Now it's here for that coalition of unemployed nurses no. Yabeka said womo share under the Graduate Unemployed Nurses and Midwife Association. Womo nia womo yekuo your coalition of unemployed nurses. Yes, answer the Graduate Unemployed. Not just say nurses for womo akọ school. Once you nursing training, woko nursing training na wo de no a diploma. But woko siapon woko university na woko sia nursing na wo de ebe ma no a degree. Inti mo say ye fam wo adwuma mu a mo ye senior. Mo aketua e wo soro esen se be wo mo a wo mo call nursing training no. Inti ekuo bi so wo ha ye friend no the Graduate Unemployed Nurses and Midwives Association. Now womo any coalition of unemployed nurses estimate the Ministry of Health and Dra. Etiefo na womo asem etia. Womo asem etia. Womo tenten ni tietia ne say they are demanding immediate unemployment. That is womo atena fi ache. Uko school na wako school adu etire na area mofo no ehun say wo open na otumi ko school sebe open na wo nimde. One say there is this pride feeling. What you say who to me go school? There's this pride feeling. But when we see upon now between if you know unya ejuma enya. Eya na wo mo asabe wo go school ne kra wo mo anko no eya no mo nya ho asem kra e de serew. Say we go waste time wo school wo mo put there wo mo yo mo ejuma e masisia wo mo wo ska kra esen. What you say? Aha, inti enya dey. Me say enya easy. Enya easy sa say the Graduate Unemployed Nurses on me for me kuo a wo moti a nurse fo na nka first yenim say a nurse there uwie na obenye adwuma no o ma for me kuo etifie e di areho na wo mo demonstration no wo mo say die a wo mo demonstration say abai e promise wo mo say wo baswa because NDC time so they were unemployed because me ka NDC time same thing no Ministry of Health and I want say aban we e promise you say wo ba so wo be mo ni adwuma na wo mo nti ase say aban we aba afa adwuma no ase abo mo aban ne 3 years 4 years mo na okoi adwuma ya bo mo na wo mo de nkrata aba bonten ya wo mo trese demonstration na wo mo call na ansen ya no wo mo leader plus 5 other people in addition to 5 other people no police for achiomo na illegal ana yebeka se ade a enye a police for na ye se sebe ye pay adwuma na yaba ebeye demonstration a legal demonstration and then there's a police for much leaders no plus 5 other people. Now in Krata wamode aba bontene eni wase we are saddened to announce the arrest of our members who were at the premises of the Ministry of Health to lawfully demand employment. Naturally say womu demand no lawful ade a emra emo omo ho kwan say wombe demand employment na omo ya say womo be announce say police for achi womo nkrofo. I say we can confirm that the Ghana Police Service has arrested 6 members of the Graduate Unemployed Nurses and Midwives Association of Ghana, including Abdul Sugri Rafik, the convener of the group who led this protest at the Ministry of Health. Not just say wabema bi na di omunim eko Ministry of Health na sa bema na ya chino in addition to 5 other people. I say some information available to us indicates that they have been sent to the Central Police Station in Accra. Not just say they are Accra Central Police Station. Na ekuo no omo asem ne tintin ene ne tieti and say ye de ye ba say ye be pay adwuma na police for mo say mo ache ye nkrofo ye leader a ye friend Abdul Sugri Rafik mo ache no mo ache 5 other people omo din ne de omo anfa mba na ye ba say ye be pay adwuma na mo say mo che ye nkrofo de ato say indirectly no mo pesa mo try say adwuma na ye say ye be pe no mu mfi ye na mu mfi ye mpo a mo nka asem de bi nche ye ne ye nkofie ana mo nche ye bibi but still mo ama ya che ye nkrofo into group no sisi a womo say womo call for the immediate release of their members. Otherwise senya womo bubefu no womo anhwe ya womo be sese nyama na make us womo be sese nyama no amama kai endra ena na ye 1 year 1 good year of KNUST demonstration a course no na KNUST demonstration a course wa ye ne ye hu ye unprecedented or Ghana students ni eni say Ghana students betumi a violence a wo mo hyehye nyama enipeku na nkoso but say ye hyehye nyama de ekoso ye hyehye nkrofo cars etiefo KNUST demonstration na ekoso no endra na 1 year na endra 1 year no ne ye pese ye call back to ensema ema students no wo mo yes ade no still we go say majority of the things no still impenifo no wo mo address ye na Ghana ye be ne sa obon say another uprising beba biom inti nurses we so de omo kanu no say wo mo boafu yie pa say police for no mpese wo mo be say nyama mo release ye nkrofo no na they are willing to lay their lives down for their people. Now wo mo say the arrest of their colleagues no an illegal act and an affront to the rights and freedom of the innocent unemployed nurses. Not to say idea emra emma ho kwan say wo be arresting crofo a sebe lawfully wo mo be demanded say my adwuma but and that me no work say government announced say wo mo cancel the bonding of the nurses and midwives after their training. We be ka say na no nso no ase na say ma me nche wase de ntia na first wo be nursing training and a teacher training. The ntia na first wo be kwa wo nye adwuma straight and say wo mo ne aban e wo bond e ya de bia e wo ho de dada say a nurse for any a teacher for training schools no omo ne aban e wo bond say uwi adwuma na aban be foul uwi adwuma na aban be foul but aban ba bonte e say wo cancel sa bond no because aban hu no say want to me employ nurses no na esan say won aban e wo bond ni ti say aban no employ na nurse no want to me go pay juma obebi fufuru because on aban e wo ye beka say covenant bi it is say aban say wo cancel sa covenant no cancel sa bond no it wo ye nurse ni na wo wie nursing training na wangasa wa pe won krata akọ hospital bi na wo ko hwehwe adwuma no ene nsema aban e de aba abontin say wo more cancel bonding no na this cancellation of the bonding no etie for ya ade bia e be ha adwen papa but it's a new thing, and so let's look forward. Yeah, say hopefully it will solve the problems at here. But Montreal again our comment box anymore. But the cancellation of the bond, no, if it will solve any problem, just on the side of the government, because this is not the first time. I employ nurses for a demonstration a buy no. Now a buy person was stopping sa dear no. Yebeka say a buy person was stopping saying him go asia na nurses for ebegu omunimu ase. Say ye ma mo adwuma no. Intia na a buy cancel bond no. Inti a buy na femu dear one no a buy is looking out for himself and itself. But in natural sense no nanka I was say a buy looking out for the nurses rather. Because I say okay, I say ye no mo e convenience bi ye no mo apan bi say mo wie school ye be ma mo adwuma ni nti no sisi a say yentumi ama mo adwuma kra na mo ha ya adwen nti sisi a no sa apam no me twem nti sisi a wie school na we nya adwuma untumi ba embe ha me biom what you say meanwhile nanka aban mom anka I say aban mom e show interest in the nurses mom at you say but aban be say oh me how na ana enugwase na mo de ma me nti no sisi a de me twem at you say if that action is taken by a private firm, but for a government to take this decision, I think it's something that's not right. Now, idea way, and yes, Subobia make us a medebo MPP for no because me can NDC for wa bemuno. Omo your imagine say womo so be take that action. Nti ya idea bia e what among the two political parties are. Will be who send ya ejano ye de e tuana wo pese wo yes ade we. Ba mo ntwa mo adwo comment box mo tie for me that say.